In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Motorola. You need to start by locating Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon to add your own. Then set up an hour, and when you're ready, click on OK. Following that, you can click on Add Label at the top and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then save it by choosing OK. Now click on Days of the Week that you wish to set up by tapping on the chosen ones. Click on all of those icons next to all of those features to switch them on or off, like Pause Alarm, Vibrations, and Google Assistant Routine. Following that, you can click on Default, choose Dismiss in the pop-up, and select the best sound source for you. You can go with YouTube Music and log in to your account, or you can choose Sound. Click on Add New under your sounds and pick music from your smartphone by clicking on the song and going back. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and pick one of those ringtones. Like, for example, Helium. When you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. In order to get rid of your alarm, you need to click on this icon at the top right corner of it and click on Delete at the bottom left one. You can also adjust more alarm settings by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting settings from the list, and adjusting all of them under alarms, like Snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!